Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to maths class. Now everyone open page number 70. Page number 69. See, in the last session we completed third chapter. No, so now we'll start the fourth chapter. What is the name of our fourth chapter? Let us multiply. Okay. Now in this chapter we are going to learn multiplication. So first we are given pep activity. Shyam and Mohan have arranged their books in piles as shown. Find the total number of books they have. So this is the books of Shyam and this is the books of Mohan. Once you have to check here, totally 3 groups and here also 3 groups. So here the children, did you skip counting tens to get the total number of books of Shyam? Here the skip count is used to children. Yes, here the number given, here the 3 groups and also equal groups 10, 10, 10. So 3 groups of 10, 30. So here skip count is possible. So take yes. Next here also 3 groups but 3 groups are different. This is 9, 10 and 11. Here the skip count is used to find the total number of books children. Is it possible? No. Why? Because here the numbers are not equal groups. So here pick the no option. Next, we can skip count to get the total only when equal groups of objects are put together. So only skip counting is possible only equal number of groups. Okay, here equal number of groups is there. Here skip count is possible, but here not a equal group. So skip counting is not possible. Next, page number 70. Put a tick in the box which shows equal groups of objects. Okay, here asking put a tick in the box which shows equal groups of the objects. Here each group having 2 marbles means same groups, equal groups, and here first one having 3, second one also having 3, but third one having 2 and fourth one having 1. Is it equal group of object children? No. So you have to take the first one. There are dash groups of 2 marbles. So here each group having how many marbles? 2. And how many groups here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here totally 5 groups of 2 marbles. By skip counting 5 times in 2s, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You have to take the number straight and skip counting 5 times 2s. Okay, skip counting 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5 groups of 2 marbles is 10. Okay, 5 groups of 2 marbles is 10. Next, here given roses. So how many groups are given here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So like that. So here once you have to check children how many groups are here. Totally 4 groups of flowers and each group has 3 flowers. Here totally 4 groups and each group has 3 flowers. So that means here you have to skip count 4 times in trees. Okay, 4 times in trees. So first 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I skip count in 4 times in trees. Now total how many flowers here? 12. 4 groups of 3 flowers is 12 flowers. You have to write 12 in the blank. Okay children. Next, open page number 71, 4.2. Draw curves on the number strip below to skip count in 5s. Find the total number of boys. Okay, here once you have to observe children, total how many groups of boys here? 3 groups of boys and each group has same number of boys. Yes, each group has 5 numbers and how many groups? 3 5. So first 3 times in 5 means 5. Next again 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the skip counting of 2. Next another 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now here. So everyone draw like this. Okay children, we are given totally 3 groups of children and in each group having 5 members. That means totally 3 groups of 5 students. No. So first you have to skip counting 3 times in 5. So first 5, next 5 and next 5. So now totally 3 groups of 5 boys is 15. Okay. 3 groups of 5 boys is 15. Next, putting together equal groups of objects is multiplication. Okay children, here we putting together equal object. Here this group having 5 members and this group also having 5 members and this group is also having 5 members. Okay, putting together equal groups of object is called multiplication. We use into. Okay, what is the symbol for multiplication? Into. Okay, this is the symbol for multiplication. The answer that we get is called product. Okay, the answer of a multiplication sum is called product. For example, here 3 groups of 5 is 3 groups of 5 boys is 15. No, here 15 is called product. This is the answer. No, so 15 is called product. We write 5 group of 2 marbles as 10. 5 groups of 2 marbles. So 5 groups of 10 marble means, so total here 5 groups and each group has 2 marbles. So how to represent this one in multiplication children? 5 into 2. Okay, 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Okay children, 5 2s are 10. So here this is the answer. No, so this is called product. The answer to a multiplication sum is called product. So how to represent this one in multiplication? So here totally how many groups? 3 groups. Okay children, here totally 3 groups. No, 3 into, and each group having how many members? 5. 3 into 5, 15. Okay, we have to represent this one in multiplication like this. First we have to write the number of groups and write the number of objects in the each group. So 3 5s are 15. So now page number 72, 4.3. Hands-on activity. Look at the table given below. Beads are grouped into groups of 2. Fill in the blanks by skip counting in 2s. A few have been done for you. Here given groups of beads and total number of beads and multiplication table of 2. If you do this activity to learn the 2 table very easily children. Okay, first here how many groups here? Only one group, and in that group how many beads are here? 1. So here totally 1 group of 2 means here only 2 beads. So 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Next here how many groups are here in the second one? 2 groups, and each group having 2 marbles. That means 2 groups of 2 is equal to totally 2 and 2 4. Now write the multiplication table. So 2 groups and each group having 2 marbles. 2 2s are 4. Okay children. Next here now we are having 3 groups and each group having 2 marbles. Now so now write 3 groups of 2. 3 groups of 2 is equal to 2, 4, 6. Okay, 2, 4, 6. Now write how many groups here? 3 groups have to fill the remaining like this. Here given. Okay children, you have to do the remaining as homework. Okay children, so 4.4 we will discuss this after we completed the second table now. So leave that one. Next, multiplication table of 3. Follow the instruction given by your teacher to collect leaves and paste them in a chart as shown. So here given groups of leaves. No, you have to do this activity just with using of leaves. Okay, you have to take the chart and prepare the multiplication of 3 is shown as like this. Okay, here given the pictures of the leaves. No, just you have to take the leaves and paste here. So here groups of leaves. Okay children, so now observe 3 table, multiplication table of 3. So here first observe children, how many groups are here? Only one group. In that group, how many leaves are here? 3 leaves. So one group of 3 is equal to 3. And in multiplication, 1 into 3 is equal to 3. Next here second. In second here 2 groups of leaves. And each group has 3. So 2 groups of 3 is 6. And 2 into 3 is 6. Next in 3 groups of 3 is 9. 4 groups of 3 is 12. So now here you have to check children. How many groups are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here given blanks like this now. Here totally how many groups? 5 groups, right? 5 groups of 3. So totally 3, 6. Now you have to count the number of total is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 5 groups of 3 is 15. Now you have to do the multiplication. So totally how many groups? 5 groups. And how many leaves in each group? 3. 5 3s are 15. Okay children? Totally 5 3s are 15. Next, observe the next one. Now we have to check how many groups here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 groups of 3. Now total how many? 3. Now you have to skip count. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. The write in multiplication table of 3. Total is 6 groups and each group has 3 leaves. 6 3s are 18. Okay, 6 3s are 18. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 groups of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So now here 7 3s are 21. Okay children. So if you do this activity to learn easily the table. Okay children. Do the remaining as homework. Okay children. So now everyone open companion page number 33. Gear up. So first group the shapes in each box. Okay, here given some shapes. So first one here given groups of 2. So here in the triangle is given. You have to make group of 2. So first you have. So group the two triangles. So now this is group of 2. This is one group of 2. This is one group of 2. This is one group of 2. And this is one group of 2. Okay, here each group has 2 triangles. Next, groups of 3. You have to make a group of 3. Next here, groups of 4. Here square is given. You have to make a group of 4 squares. Okay children, next here, groups of 5. You have to make a group of 5. Now it is group of 1 5. Now it is a group of 1 5. Now it is a group of 5. And now it is a group of 5. Okay, you have to make a groups like this. Next, second one, skip counting tens to complete. Okay, skip counting tens. 10, 20. So if you skip counting 20 after 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, you have to write like that, children. You skip counting of tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Next, third one. Open page number 34. Fill in the blanks by skip counting in twos. Okay, fill in the blanks by skip counting in twos. So here given 2. So skip counting of 2 after 4. So 4 after 5, 6. This is the skip counting of 2. So 6 after 7, 8. So 8. Next 8 after 9, 10. So write 10 here. 10 after 11, 12. Write 12 here. Okay. This is the skip counting of 2's. Next here 24, 26. 26 after 27, 28. Write 28. Why? Because here this is the skip counting of 2's. No. Here 28. Next 29, 30. Write 30 here. So 30 after 31, 32. Write 32. Next 33, 34. Okay, children, this is the skip counting of 2's. Now we are reminding problems 3 is this C, D, E. C, D is you have to do as homework. Next one, fourth question. Skip count in threes. Write the numbers near the dots in order. Join the dots to complete the picture. Okay, here skip count in threes. So here first 3 given. So skip count of 3 after 4, 5, 6. So 6. You have to write 6 here. Next 6 after 7, 8, 9. You have to take 9. Why? Because here the skip count of 3. So write 9 here to this dot. 9 after 10, 11, 12. So write 12. 12 after 13, 14, 15. Write 15 here. Next 16, 17, 18. Write 18. Next 19, 20, 21. So write 21 here. These are all the skip counting of 3. 21 after 22, 23, 24. So write 24 here. Next 25, 26, 27. Write 27. Next 28, 29, 30. Okay, children. Next 31, 32, 33. Now you have to write the numbers near the dots in order. Join the dots to complete the picture. Okay, now these are in the ascending order. Now you have to join these dots to complete the picture like this. Okay, children, what is this? It is balloon. You have to join the dot like this and complete the picture. Next, fifth one. Count in fives to complete each row. Okay, children, what we do here? Count in fives. So first given 5. So 5 after 5 means 10. So 10 after count in fives. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So write 15. Next 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So on 20 after 25. Okay, so here the first row completed. Now shall we go to the second one? Here given 70. So what is the before number of 70? With skip counting of 5. 70 before 69, 68, 67, 66, 65. First write 65 here. Now 65, 70. Now skip counting of 70. In 5, 75, 80, 85. Okay, 80 and 85. Okay, children, completed. Okay, children, so this is about today's class. In this class, which topic we discussed? So in this class we learned the numbers with groups. Okay, how to learn For example, here the numbers given in equal groups means if the skip counting is possible. When the skip counting is possible? Only when the equal group of objects, only the skip count is possible. Two groups of 3 means, so totally 2 groups and the each group having 3. So 2 3s are 6. Okay, this is about today's class. You have to do the homework. You have to do the given homework and send to me. Thank you children. Have a nice day.